What's up, guys? A short update on the price of Bitcoin, and today it should be pretty short indeed. So two main things I would like to point out. Well, actually, four main things. The first thing is that we have another bearish divergence here, and kind of almost engulfing bearish engulfing candle at the moment on the daily time frame. The same way we had double bearish divergence right there, which was followed with by correction, but not so strong, which means that the trend is actually quite solid. But now we have another one, and the tension was accumulated, so you would expect that there's likely a chance for a little deeper correction, at least to maybe like $78,000-$79,000. So there's no to the moon scenario at the moment from the current price. Yet again, this is a short-term volatility anyways. This is one thing. A second thing is the not this one, Tom DeMark sequential. If you can see the dependence, the kind of a systematic behavior which happened so far is that we had, let's say here, green 9 led to the drop, red 9 led to the rise, but with probably starting from here, the bearish setups, which are green 9s, led to like a major declines, and red 9s, which are bullish setups, didn't lead to such a rise. And here it even didn't go to green 9, right? It's still major drop. Here was the green 9, by the way. So another drop from 116 to 80K. And then there was a stop for this drop here with a red 9, but actually didn't lead to any growth. It was just sideways price action. Yet with probably 60K here, it actually did stop it. So we following the rise right now. At the same time, during this rise, the green 9 actually didn't lead to the major decline. It was like a relatively small correction. So there's a change here in this pattern, right? And right now, we had a green 8. We didn't lead to green 9. And we actually started another sequence right here. So we have this kind of a hopium about the potential behavior, at least long term. Another thing is that we do follow equities, right? And S&P 500 making another rise, and potentially could go even higher. So Bitcoin doesn't really make that kind of behavior, so it's not that profitable, yet it means that it's just like accumulating, right? I hope so, and I believe so. Another point though, if S&P 500 makes a dip, then Bitcoin will also correct quite a lot, that's for sure. So there's a risk there with this infinite rise of S&P 500. It cannot last forever. So we would have to have a chance, like harness this opportunity and rise with Bitcoin even higher, so the drop won't be that devastating and we don't drop below 60K, right? Now, the last thing is that Ether, which still kind of trying to test the same like $2,400, there's a high chance that we'll see this level to be broken with quite of a strong rise, because it's a lot of tests and a lot of kind of accumulation here. So that is definitely the another reason for the Bitcoin price going up as well. First is kind of indirect signature. Second, it could drag it with like all the algorithmic trading and bots, etc. So those four things are kind of important. So I hope that they make sense. And generally still, the overall trend is rising. So I'm still optimistic, and we'll see how it goes. I will keep you updated. That's it for today. Let's meet another time next week. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. As always, Telegram, Twitter, everywhere. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.